Today I will recommend this dehumidifiers. I think it is the best one used on my house. It got 4 modes, 1 fan, 3 dehumidity, and the dry clothes. The dry clothes, you just need to push the single buttons to quickly dry your delicate clothes. Also, you can control the times 1 to 24 hours and the speed lower and higher. It can pound 70 pints water a day, almost 9 gallons milk. If you place humidifier in your basement, the noise may not be issue. You can hear that the sound is not much loud. Makes your space to allow airflow, usually about 8 inches from the wall. I use small to pound water out of things, so I don't need to go back and forth to check. I can just forget about that. That was the best one.